In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the All-Party Hurriyat Conference and other Hurriyat organizations have demanded of the United Nations Human Rights Council and other international human rights bodies to initiate proceedings under war crimes against India for killing innocent Kashmiris in cold blood. The Hurriyat organizations, in their statements issued in Srinagar, deplored that people of Jammu and Kashmir are showered with bullets for demanding their inalienable right to self-determination acknowledged by the global community. They said that the brutal Indian forces in the garb of cordon and search operations were playing with the lives and honor of the innocent Kashmiri men and women. Meanwhile, occupation forces, during a cordon and search operation, arrested 2 more Kashmiri youth at Doombani near Rambiara in South Kashmiri Shopian district today. National Conference President Farooq Abdullah, addressing party workers in Srinagar, hinted at launching a struggle like that of Indian farmers to get back their rights snatched by the Modi government on 5th August 2019 in Jammu and Kashmir. He asked people to be ready to offer the same level of sacrifices which were offered by Indian farmers to force Modi government to reverse its decisions. The PDP President Mehbooba Mufti, speaking at a TV program, said the Indian government is portraying normalcy in Jammu and Kashmir, whereas the fact is that blood is being spilled on the roads and people are slapped with draconian laws for expressing their opinion. The Bharat-Bangladesh-Pakistan People's Forum has stressed the need to resolve the Kashmir dispute through talks among the all stakeholders. Sheikh Abdul Rahman, the Vice President of the Forum India chapter and former member of Indian Parliament, addressing a press conference in Jammu, said Pakistan-India relations continue to suffer due to the Kashmir issue. He said Indian civil society has failed in creating a solidarity movement with the people of Jammu and Kashmir, while Narendra Modi's recent steps in Kashmir have only worsened the situation. In India, at least 13 civilians were gunned down by Indian Army in Nagaland's Mon district. The incident took place when soldiers opened fire on a pickup van returning from a coal mine. Several others succumbed to their injuries in hospitals. The 5th phase of the referendum for Khalistan, an independent Sikh homeland in India, was held in the United Kingdom today. Thousands of members of Sikh community residing in the United Kingdom have participated in earlier 4 phases of the referendum, which kick-started with voting in London on 31st October this year. The ongoing referendum has sent a strong message to the Indian government that it has no option but to give the Sikhs their right to self-determination. The UK-based Centre for Information Resilience, in its investigative report, has exposed a fake Indian social media network with profiles of Sikh influencers created to target farmer protesters in India as well as the Khalistan movement. The CIR, in its report analysis of the real Sikh influence operation, exposed a network of 80 accounts on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, which were supported by a large network of authentic accounts which primarily identify as Hindu nationals.